Mercury is toxic in any way, shape, or form. And in the dental filling, which is called a silver filling, it's half mercury, and it's toxic. Mercury is always coming out of that filling 24/7. The mercury comes out of the filling as a vapor, and 80% of it's retained by the body. You just inhale it, goes directly to your brain. It's been implicated with Alzheimer's disease, goes to all your tissues and organs. Mercury is a big imposter. It affects every tissue in the body. So depending on the individual, can cause almost anything. I've seen problems with MS patients, problems with memory, problems with anger. People can't control their temper. Their moods are affected. It affects the hormonal system. It affects the GI tract. It affects just about everything. The proof that I have is that for over 30 years I've been treating patients, and we remove their fillings and many, many symptoms disappear. I've seen patients with MS do better, patients who have shaking of their hands, patients who have visual problems. I've seen high blood pressure come down, low blood pressure come up. I've seen people that have problems with their heart racing, that normalizing, endocrine problems, people with low body temperature, which often indicates a problem with the thyroid, seeing that normalize. So they're just, people with asthma, people with hay fever. But again, the two things that almost everybody reports back universally, more energy and their mind is clear. Mercury is toxic. I don't know when we're going to stop arguing about, why is a toxin not a toxin in the mouth? If I take that filling, before I put it in the mouth, I have to treat it as a hazardous substance. If the panel looks at the science and not the politics of the issue, I think the FDA will have to reclassify these fillings as a Class 3 device, which means that they have to prove the efficacy and the safety of mercury fillings, which I don't think can be done today. Certain countries have banned mercury fillings. Sweden, Norway, and I believe it was Finland have banned mercury fillings. And other countries like France, Italy, Germany have restricted the use of mercury fillings, that they can't be used in children, pregnant women, women that are breastfeeding, people with kidney disease. So they're ahead of us.